Hello everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about smooth low portion about SLP coin, guys. Guys, in this video, I'm talking about shortly about SLP coin, smooth low portion. That what's the price changes occur, what will be the next move of SLP. So let me show you guys. But if you are new, if you don't subscribe, maybe a stake channel, so kindly click the subscribe button for more news and update videos. And now guys, it is time the currently live and latest price of a smooth low portion SLP in the market. As you can see here, 0.067196 USD dollar. That is the currently price of SLP in the market. And other side, last 1 hour, last one day changes of smooth low portion SLP is completely going positive in the market. So very congratulations to all of you, because the changes is positive, and absolutely now that's clear for all the holders, because if the change is going positive, so you have to hold. Obviously that's the rule of crypto. If you want to profit, and when the change is going positive, so you have to hold. So be alert. You know what, I recommend for all of you that you have to active in the market. So for activeness, for latest update about SLP coin, kindly subscribe now, AB Stake channel. Also press the bell icon for a videos notification about SLP. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Subscribe now for more news and update videos.